Hello everybody, this is Darvish Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here with you for lecture number 43. What lecture number 43 is about? Lecture number 43 is about a very good topic that is called verb. It is quite clear to me, it's quite clear to you people that verb is a word which shows us an action. So if it shows us an action, for example, I say there is a person and he plays cricket. So I say that he plays cricket. It means that play is called the verb. Play is called the verb. Who is Darvish? Darvish is a teacher. What does he do? He teaches English. It means that teach is called a verb. Now here is a writer and he tries his best to write. Now this the word writes. He writes a letter. He writes a book. This write is actually called a verb. Now I discussed about verb in the parts of sentence, but here today I am concerned with the forms of verb. What are the forms of verb? Actually, forms of verb, they are two in number. One is called tensed form and the second one is called non-tensed form. Tensed form and non-tensed form. Actually, tensed form of verb is that form which can stand alone without any helping verb, while non-tensed form needs a helping verb. How? Tensed form is further divided into two concerned forms. One is called present tense. The second one is called past tense. The non-tensed forms, they are also two in number. One is participle form and the second is base form. One is participle form and the second one is base form. When I say about tensed form of verb, it means that the first one is present tense. So present tense is divided into two more subparts. What is that? The first one is singular present tense and the second is general present tense. In this video, I will try my best to explain present tense and past tense to you people. So when I discuss about forms of verbs are divided into two types. One is called tensed form and the second one is called non-tensed form. Tensed form is further divided into two types, subparts, present tense and past tense. And then present tense into two sub more, which is called singular present tense and general present tense. Now, when I discuss about present tense in forms of verb, so it is clear to me that actually present tense and past tense, they are called tensed forms of verb. Tensed form of verb, it means that they are only called tenses in English because the tense which is framed by them, that is called real tense. We have experience on that. Tensed form is divided into two basic types. One is called present tense and the second one is called past tense. This is clear to me that present tense is that tense which is actually used in simple present tense or in present indefinite tense. It is divided into two. One is called singular present tense. The second one is called general present tense. Singular present tense means that when a verb in present indefinite tense is used, but that verb is used with he, with she, with it, or with a singular name, we must use s or es with that verb. Therefore, the verb is called singular present tense. For example, I say, he teaches. Why I use es? For the reason that teach is a word which is a verb indeed, but this verb is used in present indefinite tense, and it shows that I am from present indefinite tense for the reason that it is called singular present tense. So here singular present tense is teaches. Now, what do we mean by general present tense? General present tense is that verb which is used with I, with we, with you, they, plus with any plural name. For example, I say the same sentence. He teaches English. We study English. It means that here the word study is actually used with we, and we is plural. We is plural. Therefore, we say that it is called general present tense. I, we is used. I, you, they. Like this, I say that study is there. But if I use he, then he studies English. Studies is called general present tense, while studies is called singular present tense, and study is called general present tense. Let me state some more examples. If I say about present tense, it means that very tense which shows itself that I am from present indefinite tense. So tense is a word which is also used for form. Tense is a word which is also used for verb. For example, I say play. Play is a word which is used with I, with we, with you, with they. It means plus with a plural name. This means that play is used with these pronouns and this noun. In this case, we understand that play is used with plural pronoun and with plural name. Like this is called general present tense. If I say we play cricket, it means that this verb is called general present tense. If I use play and then s, plays, this shows that plays is called singular present tense and is used with he, she, it, or with any singular name. So I say we play cricket, he plays cricket. So it is clear to me and it is clear to you people that play and plays are two forms of tensed form. So there are two forms of tensed forms of verb, and tensed form is the form of verb. So this is clear to me that these are two forms, these are two different ways of writing verbs. Now the second one which we have in tensed form, the second one is past tense. So what do we mean by past tense? That is a question. Past tense is actually called tensed form of verb, for the reason that here the word tense is used for verb. So past tense, it is the second one, which means that past tense is used in past indefinite tense. So a verb which is used in past indefinite tense, that verb is called past tense. It is quite known to me that past tense is further divided into two types. One is called regular past tense. Tense here means regular past form of verb, and the second one is called irregular past tense or irregular past form of verb. So when I say about irregular past tense, that tense which is changed from first form, which means which is changed from present tense into past tense with the help of d, ed or ied. But it is known to me that d, ed and ied must be there in the past participle form as well. Then we say there is a word which is play. The past is played. And what is the past participle? Played. So we are concerned with this very word which is played. Now, irregular past tense is that which is not changed from present into past with the help of ded or ied. In case if it is changed, then there would be a difference in these three forms. For example, I say see. What is the second form? Saw. What is the third one? Seen. They are different. They are not changed with the help of ded or ied. If there is teach, teach is present form, taught is second form, and taught is third form. So this shows that the present form is not included in the past form. This is different from the present form. So this is called past tense, but past tense is divided into two. One is called past tense is regular and one is called past tense is irregular. Regular past tense is also called weak verbs, and irregular past tense is called strong verbs. So this is clear to me. Now let me put these words into sentences. When I say that tense form is divided into two types, one is present tense and the second one is past tense. Present tense is that tense which gives me such a verb that shows that very time to me, that action that shows that very time to me that I am from present. So I say, let's suppose teach, teaches, and taught. Teach is used with I, we, you, they, plus with a plural name. Teaches he, she, it, plus with a singular name. Taught is used with all because it is past form. So these two are called present tense, and the last one, which is taught, it is called past tense. If I use this word in a sentence, for example, he teaches, this shows that teaches is from present indefinite tense. The tense itself shows that I am an indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Now, here, again, if I say we study or we teach, here the word study or we teach, this shows that study is also general present tense and teach is also general present tense. But the words show that they are from present indefinite tense. If I say he taught English, here the word taught itself shows that taught is from past indefinite tense. Therefore, these three different forms, if that is teaches, that is teach, or taught, actually these three different forms, they represent one thing, and what is that? Tense form of verb. I hope so you like my video. Please follow my channel, do subscribe it, and do share my videos with others. Thank you all. Best of luck.